Installing the 14018 nail gun hanger to the FASCO F44ACG-50TL stapler. First thing you need to do is remove the bolt holding the track to the body. Take out the original bolt. Save the nut and washer. Out of your hardware pack, take the new bolt. Slide back through the track, through the body. Place your hanger over the bolt. Place the original washer on the bolt and thread the original nut on the bolt. And then tighten that down nice and tight. There you have your new hanger on your stapler.